Most shock absorbers sold online are loud, cheaply made, and fail within a year. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with a dud. Tired of road chatter, bouncy rides, or uneven handling from bad shocks? Don't worry, this video breaks down the top options and why each stands out. Today, I'm going to be going over the best shock absorber that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Rough Country 231-40. From the first feel, this rear shock set appears built for off-road enthusiasts who push trucks through tough terrain and heavy payloads. The construction combines a robust steel body and a precision machine piston with a sealed environment designed to resist corrosion and heat. With a 54mm shock body, the damper maintains a sturdy presence while resisting heat fade during long off-road runs. 10-stage variable valving gives tunable damping across compression and rebound, allowing riders to tailor the ride for highway stability or obstacle control. Nitrogen-charged internals reduce fade under heat, helping maintain consistent damping during extended off-road sessions and sudden temperature shifts. Rubber bushings isolate vibrations while the system claims 36 kN tensile strength for durable performance under heavy loads. Fast cooling is designed into the 54mm shock body to maintain consistent performance after repeated cycles. Spring-loaded piston rod seal works with military-spec fluid rated to -40°C to resist pressure creep and seal leaks. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty, this setup promises long-term assurance that helps justify the upfront investment. In a direct comparison against Bilstein and other premium dampers, this Rough Country option delivers competitive damping and value. The pros include improved ride quality, robust construction, and straightforward installation. The cons include a higher price than stock shocks and limited aftermarket cross-compatibility. During real-world terrain testing, the unit maintains stable dampening on washboard roads and controlled body roll under heavy braking. If you own a late-model Silverado or Sierra with moderate lift and demand reliable rear dampening, this kit fits well. At number 4, we have the A Premium Shock Absorber Struts, delivering a focused upgrade for Ford Ranger and Mazda B series owners. These assemblies are designed for both front and rear positions, offering a balanced solution for mixed driving duties and task-oriented owners. If you commute on rough highways, tow heavy payloads, or simply crave more confidence during everyday trips, this kit appeals. The build quality combines tough metal housings and reinforced mounting points, with a complete kit that includes 2 front and 2 rear shocks. Positioning covers both ends of the vehicle, ensuring uniform damping behavior across the axle, which translates to improved control and ride balance. Reference numbers cover several identifiers such as 341302, 3717, and 61623. The kit includes 2 front shock absorbers and 2 rear absorbers, ensuring a complete replacement for both axles. A Premium offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee on our meticulously crafted suspension shock strut assembly, reinforcing confidence during long road trips. In real-world testing, this set reduces body roll and improves wheel control on rough pavement and light dirt. During everyday commuting, the ride remains composed, translating to less fatigue and more confidence during long stretches and highway merges. Durability and compatibility. These struts are designed for Ranger and Mazda B series front and rear mounting, accommodating torsion bar front suspensions. Compared to a well-known Monroe alternative, the A Premium set delivers comparable comfort at a friendlier price without sacrificing essential performance. The pros include strong build, long service life, and excellent ride comfort. The cons include higher price versus some basic shocks and occasional stiffness on extremely rough surfaces during aggressive driving. At number 3, we have the Rough Country N3. From the moment you unbox it, you can tell this shock targets off-road enthusiasts seeking balanced daily comfort. The chassis uses a robust 54mm shock body with precision machining that communicates durability and reliable heat dissipation under heavy use. Nitrogen-charged internals paired with rubber bushings deliver consistent dampening while resisting fade, with 36 kN tensile strength ensuring structural integrity. Its fast cooling capability helps maintain performance during long mud slogs or rock crawling by dissipating heat more efficiently than standard designs. A spring-loaded piston rod seal reduces oil loss and wear, while military-grade fluid handles sub-zero conditions effectively. Rough Country backs the N3 with a limited lifetime replacement warranty, signaling confidence in long-term reliability and service support. Designed to fit a wide range of Chevy and GMC light trucks across multiple generations, it remains compatible with common lift configurations. In a direct comparison, the Rough Country N3 offers comparable mid-range damping with a friendlier price than high-end Bilstein shocks. The pros include a durable 54mm shock body, 10-stage valving for tunable damping, and a reassuring lifetime warranty. The cons include higher weight and a price point that may exceed the budget-minded buyer seeking value. In real-world testing, it maintains controlled movement over uneven terrain, reduces bottoming, and preserves tire contact for predictable steering. The combination of military-grade fluid and robust materials supports reliability in demanding climates, including sub-zero mornings and hot desert days. The installation is straightforward for seasoned technicians with standard mounting points, minimizing downtime for upgrading a tired factory shock. Overall, the Rough Country N3 delivers rugged reliability with advanced damping for lifted trucks and a balanced blend of comfort and performance. At number 2, we have the Rough Country 230-57A, a front shock system built to handle aggressive off-road terrain and daily commuting. Geared toward owners of older Chevy and GMC half-ton pickups who frequently tow, carry gear, or roam rough trails for daily reliability. Rough Country emphasizes durability and a limited lifetime replacement warranty to attract buyers prioritizing long-term reliability and cost of ownership. The unit features a 54mm shock body engineered for quick heat dissipation and improved fade resistance during demanding trail sessions. 10-stage variable valving and a -50°C rating show how this system brings precise damping across varied terrains. Nitrogen-charged internals and rubber bushings with 36 kN tensile strength reinforce durability and consistent performance under load. Fast cooling design with 54mm shock body reduces heat soak and preserves damping during long climbs and heavy payload road work. Spring-loaded piston rod seal with military-spec fluid rating extends seal life and ensures smoother operation across temperature swings. Rough Country backs the system with a limited lifetime replacement warranty, underscoring confidence in long-term durability and service. In real-world testing, the Rough Country 230-57A shows improved control under heavy loads and better ground clearance. During desert driving and rock-laden trails, the damping remains stable with minimal fade and consistent tire contact. Ride quality on pavement improved when paired with stock springs, providing a smoother highway experience without sacrificing off-road capability. Compared to factory shocks, the Rough Country 231-57A delivers noticeably more wheel travel and superior adjustability thanks to 10-stage valving. The pros include 10-stage valving with adaptive damping, nitrogen-charged internals for consistency, and a lifetime replacement warranty. The cons include premium price and heavier weight when compared to some entry-level options for budget-focused buyers. At number 1, we have the A Premium Shock Absorbers. This kit is aimed at truck enthusiasts and professional installers who demand dependable rear and front suspension upgrades for heavy-duty trucks. Built around a sturdy gas-charged design with a double pipe system, it resists fade and maintains consistent damping under load. The matte finish and welded joints convey durability, and the overall construction mirrors heavy-duty components intended for long service life. Installation position is clearly specified as front and rear left and right, enabling symmetric handling and balanced ride after installation. The system uses a gas-filled cylinder and a double tube arrangement to optimize heat dissipation and prevent cavitation during demanding use. Extended length is 15.67 inches in the front and 26.18 inches in the rear. Compressed length is 10.12 inches in the front and 15.75 inches in the rear. Stroke measurements show 5.55 inches at the front and 10.43 inches at the rear. The kit is sold as a complete 4-piece set including both sides for full installation coverage and balanced performance. Reference numbers include codes such as 32341, 32350, and KG5434. Buy with confidence is emphasized by a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee and a broad selection of compatible Chevrolet and GMC models. In informal testing, ride quality improves smoother when traversing potholes and reduced squat under acceleration compared to factory setups. Compared to a common rival, the A Premium Shock Absorbers offer broader vehicle coverage and a more forgiving warranty. The pros include broad compatibility, 4-piece set, and 1-year warranty. The cons include higher price and possible fitment issues that may require precise wheel alignment or professional installation.